Hey, what's up, everybody? Got some wheels and tires here from Fitment Industries I ordered. They're packaged well. I've already taken off a few wraps of shrink wrap. There was more than that on there. This is delivered by RL Carriers. Great communication, text, email, tracking, all that good stuff. So they did a good job packaging them. Like I said, I've already started unwrapping it, so it had a lot more shrink wrap on it than that. But these are 17-inch wheels. I'll get them unwrapped, show you what they look like. I'm going to replace the factory 19s just to get a little more cushion on the ride, a little more sidewall. The roads here in Central Ohio are not the best, so I'll get a better ride quality with a thicker sidewall on the tire. So hang tight. Just want to show you I like this. They got the cardboard, then they got this foam protectant too in between there. So really good packaging for wheels. All right, these are the tires I got. They're just Continental Cross Contact. They're the heavy duty LX. This is a hybrid, so it was recommended. 235/65 R17s. So there's that part. And we got the packing slip. So if you want to know what the wheels were that I got, these are 17-inch by 8-inch wide bronze wheel. Koenig decagram. And there's your lug pattern for the Hyundai 5 lug, 4.5, 40. So, and there's what I paid for those. And of course, Fitment Industries always helps you out, but it required the specific lug nut kit there you see that I ordered. Of course, I got the sensors installed in the tires to work with the tire pressure sensing unit in this Hyundai, and it came with a care pack, just a decal, 8-inch, 4-inch decal. That was, of course, no charge. And I got the ceramic coat on the wheels, and then they did a competitor match for me. It wasn't much, but hey, every little bit helps. So there you go, there's that breakdown. So here we are down to the next wheel. So you can see they're packed the same way all the way through. For each individual tire, there's what the wheels look like. So once I get these unpacked and get them on the vehicle, I'll show you what they look like. I should mention too, with the packing, they double up. So you can see down here, like down here, we got foam, then cardboard, and then foam again, right here, between each of the tires that are sandwiched in between. All right, I got 3 of them stacked up here, but look at each one. They even stickered them to denote that they have been ceramic coated, so each one of those had the sticker on the inside of the wheel. And then there's the rest of the kit. It was nicely packaged at the bottom. All right, got this side jacked up, so we're looking at the front passenger side. If you need to do this and you're going to remove these Hyundai lugs, they are 21 millimeter. And then when we put the new wheels on, they do re-torque at 80 foot-pounds. All right, to put this on, this Koenig wheel, we got to use these hub-centric rings. So this is actually going to take it from like 67.1 millimeter to 73 millimeter. So we just put this on here. This flat side goes up against that outside portion there of your hub. So that's on there. Now I can just put the rim on, and then I use the special lug nuts that are fitted for this Koenig. So Fitment Industry will set you up with what you need for your car when you put in all that information. This has a specific lug nut wrench, and they do send that with you to put this on with. So I'll get them put on, torque at 80 pounds. Alright, got the lug nuts on there, took my time, threaded each one on hand, just to double, triple, quadruple check they weren't stripped. So once I got them all threaded on my hand, I just zipped them in and seated them. I haven't torqued them yet, but you can see in here, before I put this hub center ring on, where I put that centric ring, you can see it out here, and it meets up with the rim nicely to give it that nice firm seat with the rim to eliminate any vibration and get it centered on these lug nuts. So just wanted to show you that before I move on. All right, here's our center cap cover. You can see the rim's got these 3 holes, so we want to use the 3 open holes. Those 2 are just pre-assembled basically for looks, so we can put those on there with our included. We got our 3 Allen screws, include a little Allen wrench, and then once we get that done, we got a peel and stick and a plastic cover for our little Koenig decorative piece there to put on that hub. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. Alright, so I just peeled the backing off, stuck this in here. I wiped it off, made sure it was clean ahead of time, centered it up. And what I did, when I put these wheels on, I'm just gonna make sure my valve stem's up here and kind of line it down below, you know, the K in line with that, and then the G I centered up with this lug nut. So that way they'll all be the same. I mean, it's not critical, but if you got a little bit of OCD like I do, then it helps. So there, we peel it off, and there it is. So I'll go ahead and repeat these same steps for the other 3, and then I'll show you what they look like. Alright guys, there it is. I finished it up. So that is the bronze Koenig decagram rims. So if you like that look on the Tucson, that's something to consider. I like it. It's not as sporty looking as the factory wheels. You know, you don't have the geometric shape variety. This softens it a little bit, but I do like the bronze. And my main thing was to get that sidewall a little beefier and have a little flex and give over the bumps, so maybe give it a little better ride. We'll see. And the other thing about it is this tire wheel combination was at least 15 pounds lighter than factory, so I'm shaving 60 pounds off the weight of the car. So hopefully I might see just a little tick up in mpgs as well. So that's all I got. Hope it helps. Peace out.